If you have a Facebook page, Facebook account, or another Instagram account that is connected to your Instagram account, this tutorial will work for you. Go to this menu button on the top right corner. From here, you will see this account center on the top screen. Tap on this. From here, scroll down and go to this account. Review all account you have in this account center. Tap on this. So this is the list of all the account, either it's Facebook page, Facebook account, or other Instagram account that is connected to this Instagram account. Let's say I want to remove this Instagram account, Abundance Quicker, from this Instagram account. So tap on this remove button. From here, tap on this first icon, remove account, and then continue. Yes, remove Abundance Quicker. Yes, you can read that if you want. You remove Abundance Quicker. If you change your mind, you can re-add this account anytime. Okay. So you can see this is how you remove a connected account on Instagram.